3 morning habits for longevity, scientifically verified strategies. Longevity, the pursuit of a longer and healthier life. As we delve into the realm of science, certain morning habits emerge as key contributors to promoting longevity. In this video, we explore 3 scientifically verified morning habits that can pave the way for a longer and healthier life. Exposure to natural light in the morning regulates the body's circadian rhythm, influencing sleep-wake cycles and internal processes. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine suggests that individuals exposed to natural light in the morning tend to have better sleep quality and overall well-being. Implementation. Aim to wake up early and spend at least 20 to 30 minutes outdoors in natural light. Incorporate a morning walk into your routine to maximize exposure to natural light. Balance nutrition with intermittent fasting. Research, including studies published in Cell Metabolism, indicates that intermittent fasting can have positive effects on health and longevity. By giving the body extended periods without food, intermittent fasting may enhance cellular repair processes and improve metabolic health. Implementation. Adopt a time-restricted eating pattern, such as the 16-8 method, 16 hours of fasting, 8 hours of eating. Ensure your first meal includes a balance of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Mindfulness practices, including meditation, have been linked to stress reduction and improved mental well-being. A review published in JAMA Internal Medicine suggests that mindfulness meditation may have beneficial effects on stress-related health outcomes. Implementation. Begin with 5 to 10 minutes of mindfulness meditation in the morning. Direct attention to your breath to cultivate a sense of calm and presence. Additional tips. Adequate hydration is crucial for overall health. Start your day with a glass of water to replenish fluids after a night's sleep. Incorporate some form of physical activity into your morning routine, whether it's stretching, yoga, or a quick workout. Conclusion. Scientifically verified, these 3 morning habits, early exposure to natural light, balanced nutrition with intermittent fasting, and mindful morning meditation, offer a promising foundation for longevity. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you not only align with the latest scientific research, but also take proactive steps toward enhancing your overall health and well-being. As with any lifestyle changes, consider consulting with a healthcare professional for personalized advice based on your individual health profile. Embrace the potential of these morning habits and embark on a journey toward a longer, healthier, and more fulfilling life. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts.